Hello everyone, this is Akshay Gole and today we are going to deal with the question how to calculate the density of oil, and this question was asked in NEET Odisha 2019. So let's find out. So the question is, in a YouTube as shown in figure, water and oil in the left side and right side of the tube respectively. The height of the bottom from the water and the oil column are 15 centimeter and 20 centimeter respectively. The density of oil is. So let us find out how to solve this question. So friends, to solve this question, we know that density of oil and density of water is different, but pressure exerted by oil is equal to pressure exerted by water column at the bottom. So we can say that density of oil into height of height of oil column into gravitational acceleration is equal to density of water into height of water column into gravitational acceleration is equal to 0. So we can say that rho naught into h naught is equal to rho w into hw. Now what we have to find out? We have to find out the density of oil. So density of oil is equal to density of water into height of water column divided by height of oil. So put the values here and we can get the answer, that is density of oil is 750 kg per meter cube. So this is the answer. But wait, I have a trick for this. So friends, let us find out a short trick for this question. As we know that rho naught h naught is equal to rho w hw, that is density is inversely proportional to the height. Okay. Now, if the height is more, it means that the density is less. So in this question, we know that height of oil column is greater than height of water column. So we can say that density of oil is less than, must be less than density of water. So go to the option and find out the answer. That's all for today. Thank you very much for joining me in this lesson. I hope you found it interesting. If you have any question, feel free to ask me in the comment section given below. Keep exploring fascinating world of physics. Until next time, have a great day. Thank you.